Hi, this is Dr. Kathleen Figueroa coming to you from the Thyroid Channel. If this is your first time, please remember this is for educational purposes. If you have specific complaints, please discuss with a local endocrinologist. Today we'll be discussing a new study showing that 300 less calories per day can decrease your cardiovascular risk. Why is this important to both thyroid and diabetes patients? Well, people with type 1 diabetes may not even be overweight, and people with hypothyroidism may not be overweight, but both want to live longer and healthier. And in this study that just came out in the last week, we find that 300 fewer calories per day in people who were of normal weight led to decreases in their cardiovascular risk over a 2-year period of time. So researchers looked at 280 people with no diabetes, no thyroid disease, who were of normal weight, and asked them to eat 25% less calories per day. That was impossible for the people, and so they ate about 12% less per day over the period of the study. And they had a lot of help. They had actually coaches that would help them with behavioral changes that would help them to maintain 300 less calories per day. As it turns out, the patients in the study lost about 12% of their weight, not 25% as the experimenters had wanted. But even with 12% of their weight lost on average, they lowered their triglyceride levels. They lowered a lot of other indices for heart disease in a 2-year period. The changes started happening about 6 months into the study and persisted for the 2 years of the study. And I, as a researcher and as a physician, would love to see what happens long term with that study and whether they could show that they could reduce risk for longer than even the 2-year period. So, what's the take-home message in this new study that came out? Well, if you are interested in lengthening your life and lowering your risk for cardiovascular disease, more than even using drugs or other modalities in medicine, changes in your diet with less calories can help you not only trim your waistline, but can lower your risk for cardiovascular disease. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, please subscribe below. New videos every week.